This is the learning module for validating a claim in minutes. In this video, we will demonstrate the process for how to validate a claim by using the X12 external code lists on the formerly named Washington Publishing Company website. Validating a claim before submitting it will allow you to catch and correct any errors. Errors can prevent the system from successfully processing a claim and can delay payments. The X12 website contains the HIPAA-compliant codes that may show up when validating or submitting a claim. The codes that we will review in this video are located in the following sections: Claim Status Category Codes and Claim Status Codes. In our example, we will use an 837P professional claim. We will assume that you know how to enter the required information when submitting a claim, so we will skip ahead to the summary of the Claims Services screen. This is the final screen before we submit a claim. On this screen, there is a button titled Validate, located at the bottom right of the screen. We click Validate to open the Validation Response screen. On this screen are two sections that contain codes. The Claim Information section contains the response codes found in the claim, and the Service Line Information section contains the response codes for each specific service line within the claim. In our example, the Claim Information section displays the following codes of Category Code A1 and Claim Status Code 0. The Service Line Information section displays the following codes of Category Code A1 and Claim Status Code 20. We only provided one service in this claim. If we had more than one, each service line would have its own set of codes, and we would need to check each one. To look up the codes, we select the link for the X12 codes located on the right navigation panel under Related Links. We will start with looking up the category code. For this list of codes, we look on the left side of the screen under External Code Lists and select Claim Status Category Codes. This opens the Claim Status Category Codes page. We received an A1 for our category code, so we locate the code under Acknowledgements. An A1 code means Acknowledgement/Receipt. The claim or encounter has been received. If we had received a different code, it would have informed us of something different, including possible errors in our claim. This is not an error code, so we will check our claim status code. We will need to go back to the external codes list by clicking the back button on our browser. To check our claim status code, we select the link titled Claim Status Codes. Our claim had 20 for this code, so we scroll down to find the code 20. We could also use the Filter by Code search field at the top of this list. A 20 code description means that a claim has been accepted for processing. As you can see from the list of codes, there are several possible responses when we validate a claim. We can use the description for each code as a guide to correct any errors. Now that we have looked up the status codes, we can return to the validation screen in minutes. To exit the validation screen and return to the Claim Services Summary screen, we click on the Close button at the bottom right. If our codes had shown that there were errors in our claim, we could use the Application Progress feature at the top right in Minutes to correct any data in the previous screen by selecting the Edit link. If our codes had shown there were errors in our Service Line section, we could use the Edit button for the service line to make corrections on the Claim Services screen. There are no errors to correct in our claim, so we click Submit. In this video, you have learned how to validate a claim and use the X12 website to look up claim status codes. The Department of Human Services offers various training opportunities, including other on-demand videos and online sessions. You can register for the online sessions by visiting the MHCP Enrolled Provider Training page on the DHS Provider website. Check the MHCP Provider News and Updates for announcements on changes to programs and information about new learning tutorials when they become available. Thank you.